Hello everyone, my name is Ling, and today I'm going to introduce an educational website called Duolingo. It is a website designed to learn new language. Duolingo is an online learning community for all users. It has designed practice plan for every user specifically. This can help them to keep learning every day. It also offers multiple language learning such as Spanish and English, and there are more new languages coming up as well. It also has different learning sections for users to practice language skills, such as discussion groups for each language. So how does Duolingo help students to learn? Because the website provides multiple language choices, users can make choices based on their language interests. For example, a student might be interested in learning Spanish. He can choose Spanish as his main course on Duolingo. And also, Duolingo allows students to study multiple languages at the same time. Also, Duolingo has different conversation themes in practice. It can teach useful skills and good for beginners. For example, in this section called Family 2, this can help students to practice conversation between family members. And telephones can help students to speak on cell phones with others. Duolingo also has discussion board for all learners. People can learn and ask questions on discussion board. It also has special online events that people can practice their language skills in these events. For example, in this Among Us event, people can practice speaking Spanish when playing Among Us. Duolingo also has different types of learning levels for all users. They have introduction courses for beginners, and they also have placement tests for advanced learners before starting a course. Duolingo also records memory strings after each practice. It is good for users to review learning progress after each practice. So on Duolingo, I choose English and Spanish as the two main courses. Since I'm a bilingual student, I have studied English for several years before using Duolingo, but this is my first time learning Spanish. I also find some advantages using Duolingo. I think it introduced many cultural experience and simple conversations. It also has nice website design and some cute little characters that will give you some hints when learning. It also has website and app version to learn in different places, so people can learn new languages using computers or their cell phone. However, I think Duolingo also has some disadvantage. It is hard to satisfy the learning needs for advanced learners. When I try the English courses on Duolingo, I think the tests and practices are too simple, especially for people who study a new language for several years. It doesn't teach grammar as well, but it gives you some grammar hints in practice problems if you did the question wrong. However, I think it is still nice to utilize Duolingo in class. First, we can use Duolingo in Flipped Classroom. Flipped Classroom allows students to study lecture before class and focus on class activities at school. Teachers can let students to learn on Duolingo first and then do some practice in class. It can use in many classes, such as Spanish class and French class. Students can do the practice on Duolingo as daily homework or classwork as well. Second, Duolingo can help students to practice participatory culture. Students can learn new skills and discuss with their peers online. Using Duolingo as elective tools for students to practice language skills outside of classroom is also a good way to learn too. Teachers can also use the placement test for students to test their language skills before starting a class. Overall, I think Duolingo is a good educational website because it is open to all users, not just students. It allows people to learn new languages using this website for free. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.